So whenever you are asking ChatGPT to anything, so here is one powerful, very powerful keyword I am going to tell you, that is step by step. So whenever you are asking ChatGPT to any complex task, you are providing any complex task, you tell ChatGPT that please explain me in a step by step format. Step 1, do this. Step 2, do this. Step 3, do this. Steps 4, do this, like this way. So it's a very 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 powerful keyword, step by step process. So whenever you are asking anything, suppose you want to cook something, suppose you never made good cook, like you never made such a good food like pasta. You don't know anything about pasta, how to cook. You don't know anything about how to make a biryani. You don't know about the any mutton curry, chicken curry, or any curry. You did not know, you don't know how to create it. So what you can do, you can tell ChatGPT, please provide me the step by step guide, the step 1, step 2, step 3, like that way how you can do. This is one field. Another field is, suppose you want to lose weight, your objective is to lose weight. So in that case, what you can do, you can ask ChatGPT, okay, give me the step by step, give me a step by step guide for 7 days, for 15 days, for 1 month, for 6 months. You give me the step by step what I need to do from today itself. So it will schedule, it will draw a map. Actually, it will draw a guideline that first day you do this exercise, you take this food. Second day you do this exercise and you eat this food. Okay, so this is one part. Another example, it may be, there are lots of example you can do. Suppose you want to write a code, you want to write a Python code, okay, or a SQL or HTML code you are confusing that it's a big code, how can I debug it? I can't understand this code, or any Excel formula you can't understand, it is very complicated. So what you can do, you can provide that code to ChatGPT and you can say, please simplify this step by step format. Step 1, do this. Step 2, do this. So ChatGPT, what it will do, it will provide the step by step guide. Okay, step 1, do this. Suppose you want to add something, suppose 2 plus 2 it is 4. So you can't understand how to add this thing. Okay, so you can ask ChatGPT, so it will provide, okay, first you do press 2, then you press the plus sign, then you press 2, like that kind of simple thing it is there. So you need to ask ChatGPT, please give me the solution in a step by step format. So it will break down all the complexity and it will provide the easiest solution. Okay, so now see, here we are asking ChatGPT that explain machine learning. Okay, we are telling ChatGPT that explain machine learning. So explain machine learning means it will provide a generic answer. So we will not wait. It will provide a generic answer. It will tell everything about machine learning. So though that thing we don't want to know for time being. For information purpose it is okay. For idea purpose it is okay. But for the timing I don't want it. So instead of that, what we can do, we can tell, provide step-by-step instruction on how to build a simple machine learning model using Python. So I will use Python and I will create, I want to build a simple machine learning model. I want to build a simple machine learning model. So you give me the step-by-step formula. So it will provide you the step-by-step guide. Okay. And the next example is write a guide. Suppose you want to go somewhere or you for a tour or anything. So what you can do, you can tell ChatGPT write a guide. So what it will do, it will provide a broad answer. It will take it own memory and it will generate a random output. Okay, but instead of that, what you can do, write a step by step on how to set up a WordPress blog. It might be a tour guide, it might be, I could not understand that it's a tour guide, so I explained it tour guide, but now I can see it's a WordPress, that is a process. Okay, write a step-by-step guide on how to set up a WordPress blog, including domain registration, hosting setup and customization. So you don't know anything about how to create a blog. what the necessary things it is required, whether a domain is required, a hosting is required, how to set up page and design, all those things required details are there, but we don't know anything about how to create a blog. In that case, what we can do, we can tell ChatGPT, you give me the solution step by step. The first thing what I need to do, I need to buy a domain. Okay, I need to research, then I need to buy a domain, then I need to design it, then I need to create content, then I need to publish it, like all the process. So it will provide you the step by step guide. Okay, so it is very powerful keyword. You need to use it, step by step guide, step by step instruction. Again, the third example is describe a cooking. Though we did not provide a detailed information about cooking, what kind of cooking we want and purpose, objective, we did not mention anything. So it will provide a generic question, generic answer it will provide. So instead of that, what we can do, we can ask ChatGPT, provide step by step instruction for cooking a traditional Italian lasagna. I don't know what is lasagna. Italian lasagna, including ingredient, preparation and cooking times. So instead of that, what you can do, you can write your content. Your content means I want to cook eggless cake. I want to make a eggless cake, any kind of food. So that is, you don't know anything about this, so based on your topic, based on your suggestion, you can do it. Okay, so now but main purpose is here, you need to use the keyword, that's the step by step instruction. So you are asking ChatGPT that provide step by step instruction for cooking a traditional Italian lasagna, including ingredients. So this is the additional information, including ingredients, also ingredient preparation and cooking times also. So all the details, all the possible details you need to mention, but it should be step by step process. So let's go to practically, let's check it practically. Let's take this one. Let me refresh it. Okay, so I'm asking describe cooking, so it will provide a generic answer, it will provide a broad answer. Cooking is a process of preparing food by applying heat which transforms. It's a generic answer it has provided. Okay, so now the main question is here. Let me test this one, and instead of that, suppose cooking a traditional, instead of that I can write biryani, traditional biryani. Okay, including the ingredients, including the preparation and cooking times. Ingredient preparation, here also you can mention which are available in Indian local market, which ingredients preparation which are available in Indian local market, because it may provide some other ingredients also which are not available in local market, so it will be a problematic for me. We need to go to supermarket for that and all these things. Available in Indian local market and cooking times. Okay, so I am asking ChatGPT that provide a step-by-step instruction for cooking a traditional biryani, including ingredient preparation which are available in Indian local market, ingredients basically which are available in Indian local market, and cooking times. Otherwise what you will do, it will provide some different ingredients name which are not available in my locality. So in that case what will happen, we need to go to supermarket, or we need to do go any other city for collecting that ingredients. So it is not possible which are available in our local market. Using that thing also, we want to create a biryani. So let's check. Here it is, the ingredients. Here is a step-by-step guide to making traditional biryani, flavorful and automatic rice dish that is popular in Indian cuisine. This recipe assumes you have access to Indian local market for ingredients. Okay, so what is this? I need 2 cups basmati rice. I need 4 cups water. I need 1 bay leaf, 4 to 5 cloves, 2 to 3 green cardamom pods. Okay, 1 inch cinnamon stick, salt to taste. These are the ingredients I need for the marinade. 500 grams chicken or mutton pieces cut into chunks, 1 cup plain yerkut, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon red chili powder, half cup teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste. For the biryani 2 tablespoon ghee or cooking oil, 2 large onion thinly sliced, 2 tomatoes chopped, half cup mint leaves chopped, half cup coriander leaves chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies slit, optional, adjust to taste. Okay, so all the details. Now it has given me the instruction. Prepare the rice. Rinse the basmati rice thoroughly in cold water until the water runs clear. Soak the rice in water for 30 minutes and then drain. In a large pot, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. So see all the details information it has given, step by step it has given instruction. So first what I need to do, I need to collect the ingredient first, all the ingredients for rice, for marinade, for biryani, all the ingredients I need. Then the instruction, the first thing what I need to do, prepare the rice. Second thing what I need to do, marinate the meat. Third thing what I need to do, all the detailed information step by step it has given. But if you ask how to cook a biryani, it will not provide all the detailed information. Okay, all the detailed information it will provide, but not the step by step. It will be like a paragraph format or any other format, so it will be more difficult for us to understand, and how to start, what to take first, what to do last, and all those things. Okay, so the third thing is cook the biryani, fourth is layer the biryani, fifth is dum cooking, slowly cooking, then serve. All the informative details step by step it has given. Okay, so I think it's pretty clear to you. Now let me take another example. I think this guide we took, so for now we will not take. Let me take this example. See, here it is, as I explained here step by step now. So it will take that instruction again, I think, and it will create the machine learning, explain machine learning. See, it has given me the generic answer. Machine learning is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating algorithms and models that enable. So it has given all the informative details. It's a generic answer. The more detailed and informative ideas it has given: data collection, data preparation, choosing a model, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, training the model, all the detailed information it has given. Okay, so now I am asking ChatGPT to provide me a step-by-step formula. I want to create a machine learning model in Python. Okay, now provide me the step-by-step formula, step-by-step guide, step-by-step instruction. This is very powerful word. This is very powerful keyword you need to use whenever you want to break down the complex data, you want to break down the complex task, so it will simplify. Let me, okay, now it will provide me a step-by-step guide. See, step 1 what I need to do, see the how is the quality of the content. See, the step 1, what I need to do, install necessary libraries. Okay, then second thing, what I need to do, even the code has been given, you need to paste it. Import libraries. Okay, then load and exploit the data set. Okay, step 4, prepare the data. Okay, the code has been given, you need to paste it and you need to replace your then fifth, scale the features. Okay, and all the steps, the code has been given, you need to copy the code and you need to paste on the right place. Choose and train a model. Okay, step 7, make prediction and evaluate the model. Okay, step 8, save the model. It is optional. Okay, so that is the thing you can do. Then summarize, install libraries, load and explode the data set, prepare the data, select the features, choose and train a model, then evaluate the model, save the model. So see how the quality is. It has given me the step-by-step formula. Instead of this is I explain machine learning, and now I have given more detailed information about machine learning in Python programming, and step-by-step guide I wanted to know. So in that case, step 1, step 2, likewise it has been broken down. The complex, always you try to do the tell ChatGPT, if you think that is a complex task, that is a complex job you have given to ChatGPT, so what you can do is you can simplify this. They give me the suggestion in a step-by-step format, or step-by-step instruction, step-by-step guide. These keywords are very powerful. Use these keywords and it will simplify your complex task. Okay, so I think it's pretty clear to you how what is the use of step-by-step instruction and all these things. Use these steps, create your own example and practice it, and I'm sure you will get your best prompt very easily. You will get it. So just copy this format and paste it, and then replace your content. It will work like a magic. Okay, so it is very powerful keyword, step-by-step instruction, step-by-step guide, step-by-step formula. So it will give you it will simplify your complex task. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.